Hello, my name is Gloria Dongo. I'm head of commercial department at Improtech Training Center. I welcome you to our cybersecurity workshop. This workshop is organized and brought to you by Improtech Training Center with the purpose of revealing the hidden opportunities into this field outside there. Why did we organize this workshop? Just because we've realized that there are lots of opportunities that are available outside into the network security field, into the cybersecurity field, and many more. But a lot of people, because of lacking information or not being aware of the job opportunities, of all the doors that are open outside there in this field, they do not really choose or go for the right career path. So today we are here. We chose or we selected a caliber of people who have more than 10 years experience to be here today just to share with you their experience. We are heading into the digitalized field. We are heading to a world where you cannot do anything without, or you cannot do nothing without network training, right? So we'll show you from where to start. So today you might ask yourself, why should I join your cybersecurity workshop, or why should I join Improtech Training Center? One of the reasons is that our trainers are up to date when it comes to networking, security, and cybersecurity technologies. We make sure that the trainers are qualified, have a solid background, have a solid experience to come and make you also expert. Secondly, you have the opportunity to connect with all our trainers, our cybersecurity networking experts, because they are available 24/7 to answer your questions, to respond to your requests, and even help you from your learning process up to the level where you become a professional, you get into the working environment. Up till now, we have students who still, when they are facing issue, comes back to their trainers and they get the help from their trainers. So this extra help, this extra hand that we are ready to give to you as our students makes us unique into this field. And also our training are highly practical. So when we talk about Improtech, we talk about practice. When you talk about practice, you talk about Improtech. We emphasize on you having the hands-on training to make you a qualified engineer to work on any technology at all into the working field.